Game na tayo ha. Boss Louie, Boss JC. Game na. Nasa work to si Boss JC Quets. So upper deck annual 2022-2023 hobby box. 1 premium insert per pack on average. So we have 16 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, so 80 cards per hobby box. So sealed. Reflect on a meaningful year in Marvel Comics. May flexi base makukuha, parallel cards. Suspended animation. Sana merong booklet sketch cards. Ano pa ba? Box cutter, hologram, top teams to numbered. Sana may hologram tayo makuha o gold linearity. So bago mag-start, itong mga kasali. 16 packs, 16 slots, 1 Boss Bilat, 2 Boss J, 3 Boss Ruel, 4 Boss Louie, 5 Boss Louie, 6 Boss Bilat, 7 Boss Ruel, 8 Boss J, 9 Boss Louie, 10 Boss JC, 11 Boss YDBR, 12 Boss JC, 13 Boss Bilat, 14 Boss JMI, 15, 16 Boss J. Start tayo. Good luck sa lahat. Start tayo. Apat. Apat. Apat ha. Walo. Apat. 12. At apat. 16. Bilang tayo ulit. 1, 2, 3. Diretso shuffle na. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Cut. Isa pa ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. Okay, 16. Numbering tayo. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yan. Start tayo. 16 packs. Ay, sheesh. Number 1, Boss Bilat. Pack number 1. First card, gitna ang hits nitong annual eh. Beast. Likod ata ito. Chasm. Ay, gitna nga. Oy, boss bilat talaga. Nighthawk base. Gitna, number 1 spot. At ang hit natin, suspended animation, Miles Morales, first pack magic, 119 out of 399. Congrats boss bilat. May Miles Morales ka na, may Chasm ka pa. Boss J pack number 2. Pack number 2 Boss J. First card, Ajax na namatay sa Eternals. Oy, spoiler alert. Next card, Captain Marvel, Silver, Shuri. Gitna, number 1 spot, Black Panther. Third pack, Boss Ruel. Boss Ruel tayo, third pack. Boss Ruel, first card mo. Uy. Carnage base. Likod, Kang. Isa pa, Professor X. Merong Kang variant, The General. Ngayon ko nakita yung card na to. Likod, 2022 Superheroes of the Year, She-Hulk. May dugo pa sa ilong. Fourth pack, Boss Louie Padlan. 4 at 5 kanya. Four at 5, Boss Louie. Cyclops base, likod, Dr. Voodoo, likod, Human Torch, isa pa, variant, Shuri, at isa pang inserts, top teams of 2022, The Marauders. Yan ang pack number 4 mo, Boss Louie. Pack number 5 tayo. First card, Deathlock base. Likod, Makhari, Eternals. Emma Frost base. Variant, Valkyrie. At ang isa pang insert mo, may Ding ang bato. 2022 Superheroes of the Year, Moon Knight. Thank you, Boss Louie. Pack number 6, Boss Bilat. First card, boss. Second pack mo. Hallows Eve. Uy, may mga ano, dents. Kita ba yun, no? Ba't naman ganun? May tuldok, 3, 4, 5. O, nabagsakan to, ah. Base, Hallows Eve. Next, Hope Summers. Luna Snow base. Variant, Dr. Doom. Sa pang hit, Star Rookie, Star Brand. Yan. Congrats, boss. Pack number 7, last pack ni Boss Ruel. Seven, Boss Ruel. Seven si Boss Ruel. Last pack. Robbie Reyes base. Black Cat base. Likod, Captain Britain base. First hit, silver, Miss Marvel. Second insert, number 1 spot, The Amazing Spider-Man. Thank you, Boss Ruel. Halfway, pack number 8, Boss J. First card, first character, Invisible Woman. Next, Magic, likod, Monolith. First insert, Silver Valkyrie. Next, top number 1 spot, the Invincible Iron Man. Pack number 9, Boss Louie pa pala ulit. Nine, Boss Louie. Wait lang, boss, ah. Game, Boss Louie. First card, first character, Kate Pride. Likod tayo. Daredevil. Next, Madeline Pryor. Variant, Hulk. Last hit, Superheroes of the Year, Magneto. And thank you, Boss Louie. Pack number 10. Uy, si Boss Gladsky ba ito nandito nanonood ngayon? Boss JC. Boss JC na nasa work. Shout out. Manood na lang daw siya ng replay. Salamat sa pagsali. First pack mo, Boss JC. Wala pang box cutter, wala pa tayong lenticular kung may lalabas. First card mo, Boom Boom base. Electra base, Boss JC. Next, Lady Bright base. Unang hit mo, variant, Kid Omega. Next hit mo, Top Teams, X-Men. Yan ang unang pack mo, Boss JC. Pack number 11, Boss YDBR. Boss YDBR. First card mo, YDBR, Nico Minoru base. Next, Captain America base. Likod, Thunderbird, parang ito nakita, base. Silver, Shang-Chi. At number 1 spot ni Daredevil. Thank you, bro. Second pack ni Boss JC. Second pack ito ni Boss JC. First card, Taegukgi, Korean, his superhero base. Ghost Rider base, likod tayo. Face Toss base. Silver, Doctor Doom. At number 1 spot ni Crypt of Shadows. Si Moon Knight Moon Knight manting parang Midnight Suns. Elsa Bloodstone. Last 4 slots. 13. Boss Bilat, pack number 13. 14, Boss JMI, then Boss J, last 2 packs. Sketch card, Gold Linearity, may nabasa na. Hologram, para may nakita akong ginto. O silver lang yan. First card, Iron Man. Likod, She-Hulk. She-Hulk base. Next, Exhaust base. Ang ganda lang ang karakter na to. Variant, Shang-Chi. At ang ginto, Superheroes of the Year, Clea. Thank you, Boss Bilat. Boss JMI tayo. Boss JMI, first card mo, base Magneto. Likod tayo. Marvel Girl, base. Next, Ghost Spider. Yan, may Ghost Spider ka, boss. Variant ni Miss Marvel. Last insert mo, The Exiles. Top Teams, Exiles. Thank you, bro, JMI. Sana makasali ka pa sa mga next breaks. Ayko. 15-16. Isang may-ari. First card, Mary Jane Watson. Next, Venom. Likod tayo. Black Widow. Base. Fourth card. Uy, box cutter. Ito nga pala yung box cutter ng 21-22. At ang box cutter ngayong taon, Shang-Chi. Para sa box na to. Pointed siya, hindi katulad last year. Ayan ang hit dito, Shang-Chi at The Gold Goblin #1 spot. Last pack Magic, salamat sa lahat ng sumali. May isa pa akong annual, baka may gusto mong perso break or ipopost ko lang din siguro. Last pack, may last pack Magic pa ba tayo? Lenticular wala pa, may lalabas pa kaya? Last pack, first card. Oh, wala. Blade. Likod. Destiny. Uy, may lumabas nga. Magneto, multiple dimensions. SP ata ito. Short print. At ang last card ay #1 spot. Yan ang Marvel Annual natin. Salamat sa lahat. May SP tayong lenticular. Thank you. Till next break.